welcome back to another video. My name is Annalie. Thank you guys for joining. So today I'm going to be doing kind of like a watch me work type of video. I'm going to just paint my nails using the Kiara Sky color in 90's Baby. I also have the Kiara Sky top coat, and I will be using the D&D base gel. Okay. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with my base gel. I have already prepped my nails by buffing them and shaping them to my liking. These are the Enail Couture 123 Go soft gel extensions. I do have a video on how I applied them, so please check that out. They are super easy to apply. Now I'm gonna go in with my Kiara Sky 90's Baby color.
Super
excited. I think this color is so pretty. Wow, so cute, you guys. I love how pretty and pink and holographic the glitter is. So pretty. Love it. Highly recommend this color. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand. I'll be right back. Alright, now that I am finished with all of my nails, I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat to all of my fingertips. There we have our nails. How pretty. I absolutely love the color. Alright, these are definitely me. I have to say the only thing I am missing is a little bit of bling, so I'm gonna go ahead and be right back. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and I grabbed some bling that I have. I purchased this off of the Bling boutique. I absolutely love this little site. It's so cute. She is a female. Well, she is a female. She is a, well, this is a woman-owned company is what I'm trying to say. The color I have is Pink Passion AB in 3 millimeters. I will be using some souffle gel from Enail Couture in Pink Lady to adhere the gems to my nails. And I will be using this little gem picker upper. You like that? Picker upper. rhinestone porn for you right there. You're very, very welcome. So here I have a little essence dotting tool. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a little bit of the souffle gel and apply it where I want the rhinestones to go. I'm not quite sure yet how I want to apply these, so I'm just gonna kind of play around with it, see what it looks like. I think I like it better right down here at the base. Yeah, I think I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the nails and I will be right back. Alright, so that's what the first hand looks like with the rhinestones. Very simple, super adorbs. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand. Alright, so here we have the other hand. What do you guys think? I will link everything that I used in the bottom bar in the description box below. Highly recommend the Bling Boutique, super cute. This whole little jar was 12 bucks, but keep in mind this is gonna last me a very, very long time, especially if I'm using it for nail art. The souffle gel is super nice and creamy. I hear that this holds rhinestones very well, so I'm excited to use it. I'll let you guys know how that goes. And last but not least, the Kiara Sky gel color is really creamy, super opaque. Even though this is a light color, I think that the opacity is there. You can tell that it's a nice cool tone pink, and you can still see some of the holographic glitters that are involved. So super, super cute. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining me in this little session, watching me do my nails. I highly appreciate you and your support. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type.